This ring light with a tripod doesn't just illuminate, it does so much more. Equipped with adjustable brightness settings, color temperature options, and a stable height-adjustable tripod, GoPro becomes a companion in your quest for flawless lighting. Whether you're recording videos, taking photos for your social media, or conducting virtual meetings, GoPro Tripod Ring is the radiant enhancer of your visual symphony, offering perfect lighting in every frame. It's not just a ring light, it's a symphony of versatile illumination. Versatility is GoPro's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of content creation, it adapts to your diverse lighting needs. The adjustable settings allow you to customize the lighting for various scenarios, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for different projects. Whether you're in a dimly lit room, capturing makeup tutorials, or shooting product photos, GoPro Tripod Ring is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of lighting. It's not just a ring light, it's an avant-garde solution to your lighting versatility. Operation is a breeze with GoPro Tripod Ring. No need for complex setups or multiple lighting sources. The adjustable ring light and stable tripod ensure easy positioning and customization, making GoPro Tripod Ring a reliable lighting companion for your daily content creation tasks. It's not just a ring light, it's an easy upgrade to a world of perfectly illuminated visuals. GoPro Tripod Ring doesn't just prioritize versatility, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying lighting conditions. The adjustable ring light and sturdy tripod maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your GoPro setup remains a trustworthy and durable choice for the long run. It's not just a ring light, it's a durable investment in the illumination and visual appeal of your content. Now, let's talk about the experience. GoPro Tripod Ring isn't just a ring light with a tripod, it's a sensory delight. The convenience of adjustable lighting, the versatility in brightness and color temperature, and the overall enhancement of your content creation routine, it's a symphony of modern visual excellence. The experience isn't just about lighting up your space, it's about turning every capture into a harmonious blend of radiant visuals. That is it for today, guy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.